Dividing positives and negatives, telling the sign of the answer. Let's do some practice. We're not going to solve and get the answer, though we could. We're just going to look at if the answer is going to be positive or negative. Remember your rules. Positive divided by positive is positive. A positive number divided by a negative number is negative. A negative number divided by a positive number is negative. A negative number divided by a negative number is positive. So let's look. Number 1, negative 30 divided by positive 5. We have the pattern negative divided by positive. That means our answer is going to be negative. Number 2, we have positive 4 divided by negative 2. We have a positive number divided by a negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. Number 3, we have a negative 6, negative, divided by a negative 2, negative. Negative divided by negative is always positive. Number 4, you have 12 divided by negative 4. Negative 12 divided by negative 4. You have the pattern negative divided by negative, which is positive. Pause your video and try number 5 and number 6 on your own. See if you get the correct answer. Number 5. I have a negative 42 divided by a negative 6. Negative divided by negative is positive. Number 6. I have a positive 21 divided by a negative 3. Positive number divided by a negative number is always negative. If you look, it's just like with multiplying. Positive divided by positive or positive times positive is positive. Positive divided by negative or negative divided by positive is negative. Just like positive times negative or negative times positive is negative. Lastly, positive times positive is positive, just like negative times negative is positive. Let's look at some of your vocab terms. Pause your video and in your notes, write this problem down. All of this. Your job is to label the equation. Remember, equation means equal sign. Using the terms divisor, quotient, and dividend. Then complete the statements below. The inverse operation for multiplication is, the inverse operation for subtraction is, the inverse operation for addition is, and the inverse operation for division is. Divisor is what we divide by. We are dividing by 10. The quotient is the answer to division. Our quotient is negative 5. Our dividend is what is being broken up into groups, what is being divided. Our dividend is 50. Finally, inverse operation for multiplication, division. The inverse operation for subtraction is addition. The inverse operation for addition is subtraction. And the inverse operation for division is multiplication.